Okay, I want to do a quick video on weekly pool care, just bare minimum maintenance, and what that looks like in this particular pool here. So you can see we have some loose leaves, but overall the water quality looks really good. And we can see over on the drain that the water level is a little low, so we need to add some water. And we'll need to clean the pool robot, check on our chlorine floater, and empty one skimmer. All right, so let's check it out. Looks like it's empty, so we definitely need to add some chlorine there. We need to empty the pool robot, which I run every few days to get these loose leaves out. I'll be gentle on the cord and put majority of my weight on this handle. I'll let the water drain out. And next, we're going to take the skimmer basket out. I like to do this with the pool running. That way it continues to suck all these objects down when I pull it out. Now, a lot of people would just dump this in the trash can or in the lawn, but I like to actually hose these out because there's a lot of fine particles in here and sand. And then every week, I don't drain the pool pump, but maybe every 2 or 3 weeks and empty that basket. So I'll hit service mode. That way it won't run. I'll pop the lid off. See, there's not very much in there. So I don't do this every time. Turn on the hose. Rinse these guys out. By the way, if you ever need to get this off, you can actually unscrew it. There should be a metal rod inside, stainless steel, that helps weight it down. Okay, the trick to putting your pool pump basket back in is go like that. Make sure that this is lined up. Put this on loosely. Release the pressure on the top of the tank until it fills up. Tighten it up. Now you got water inside. Turn off your service mode or turn your pump back on. Listen here for a little bit. Make sure that it's not running dry, which it shouldn't ever be. I have to turn my pump on because the timer's off. Here it goes. I can watch the pressure build up. There's the pump repriming. Then I let any air out of the top. That's it. We'll put our skimmer back in. We'll grab one chlorine puck. It says 2 chlorine pucks per 10,000 gallons. This pool's 10,000, but in the winter, I never need that much. So I always start with the least amount of chemicals and always add more if I need it. After we're done putting the robot back here, we're going to check the chemicals. Robot goes back in. We'll turn it on. It'll run for 2 hours and clean the pool of any leftover leaves. Now, we're going to brush a few areas, namely the top of the steps. Once summer kicks in, we'll scrub the walls a little bit, but it's still springtime and the water's cooler, so there's no algae building up and it's very clean even without scrubbing every time. But you can see I can get some sand off of these steps. There's some dirt. And this just allows your filter to pick up on that dirt and keep it out of the pool. All right, now we'll check the chemical levels. Of course, we use our trusty Taylor test kit. I'll put a link in the description below, but this is industry standard.
You can watch my other video here on how to test pool chemistry. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes, and I take the results and I put it into the free Pool Doctor app. This app will tell me exactly how much chemicals I need to add to balance my chemistry. And that's about it. A normal maintenance takes 10 to 20 minutes 1 time a week in the off season. Once the pool season really kicks in and we start to get warm water temperatures, we'll keep a closer eye on it. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and a subscribe so you can follow along with more pool care videos. We'll see you next time.